Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily mirror your frontal camera on your iPhone device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first get into settings. Then scroll all the way down until you find camera, and right here at composition box of options you can easily find mirror front camera. By default this feature toggled off, so you can now open up your camera app, then you can switch to frontal camera, and now you can take a photo. So after that you can get into settings, and then you can enable this option. So now you can go back to camera and you can take another photo just like that. And now let's compare both of that pictures. I can open up Photos app, I can get into recents, and here they are. I can open up the first one and then the second one. As you can see, these images are different, so the second one is flipped like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.